In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM for nonprofits. By the end, you'll have a clear, streamlined setup that helps you manage donors, volunteers, sponsors, and partners while keeping your outreach organized and effective. Start by heading to the HubSpot website and selecting Get Started Free. Create your account with your email or sign in with Google. Use your organization's email if possible, confirm any verification prompts, and step into your new workspace. Next, tell HubSpot who you are as a nonprofit. Add your organization's name, your website, and a short mission or description. These details personalize your portal, help your team stay aligned, and can appear in email footers and internal records so everything looks professional and consistent. Now add and organize your contacts. Think in terms of the relationships you manage: donors, volunteers, sponsors, and partners. Enter contacts individually or bring in a list if you have one, and keep data clean from the start by standardizing names, emails, and phone formats to avoid duplicates later. Before you go too far, create the custom properties you'll rely on. Go to Settings, then Properties, and choose Create Property. Add fields like donor type, donation amount, last donation date, volunteer status, and campaign name. Pick the right field type, like drop-downs for categories and dates for time-based fields, and keep naming clear so everyone knows what each property means. With properties ready, segment your database using lists. Build active lists for groups such as active donors, monthly donors, volunteers, and event attendees. Active lists update automatically as your data changes so your segments stay fresh. Use filters based on your custom properties to target the right people every time. To track funding, treat each donation as a deal. Create a dedicated donation pipeline by going to Sales, Deals, then Pipelines. Add stages like New Donor, Contacted, Donation Pledge, Donation Received, and Thank You Sent, and associate each deal with the relevant contact. Record the amount and date, and move deals forward as progress is made, and automate your communication with workflows. When a donation is received, trigger a thank you email. When someone subscribes, send a welcome message. For event signups, queue reminder emails. Set enrollment criteria, timing, and any internal notifications, and always test before you turn automations on. Set up your email marketing with reusable templates for donation requests, thank you messages, and newsletters. Personalize with the donor's name and other relevant details, and preview on desktop and mobile to ensure readability. Finally, build reports to track total donations